Hi there, winter is here, and today I bring you some interesting idioms with winter words with cold and ice. Let's start. Winter is coming. When we say that winter is coming, we are warning about the difficulties and challenges that are imminent. For example, the project deadline is approaching, so winter is coming for us. That means that we need to finish the projects and we still have a lot of to do and we will be struggling to do it on time. Winter is always associated with cold, so our next idiom is cold shoulder. To give the cold shoulder means to ignore someone or to be unfriendly towards someone. For example, she gave me the cold shoulder when I tried to talk to her. So she ignored me completely. The next our winter idiom is out in the cold. Brrr. When you feel out in the cold means that you feel excluded. You feel left out of a group or situation. For example, after the argument, I felt out in the cold with no one on my side. Snowed under. When you feel snowed under means that you feel overwhelmed because of too many tasks or responsibilities. For example, I'm snowed under with work, so I can't make it to the party. That means I have too much to do and I won't be able to go to the party. On thin ice. When you are on thin ice, you are in a risk or you are in a precarious situation. For example, after missing the deadline, I knew I was on thin ice with my boss. I always have my feet cold in winter. So the next idiom I bring you today is cold feet. But this idiom has nothing to do with cold. Cold feet means to become nervous or to lose courage. For example, she got cold feet and decided not to go on a date last minute. The following idiom is in the dead of winter. In the dead of winter means during the darkest and coldest part of winter. For example, it's unbelievable, but she decided to climb this mountain in the dark of winter, facing the harshest conditions. Snowballs. When I was a child, I loved to play snowballs, but I don't like snowball effect. This is our new idiom today, snowball effect. Snowball effect is when a bad situation is becoming worse and worse significantly. When one little mistake has snowball effect, it leads to a series of problems. To blow a cold wind. This is our next idiom. To blow a cold wind means to say something hurtful or discouraging. For example, her harsh word blew a cold wind through the room. So she said something very hurtful. Winter blues. People who live in north countries, they are more likely to experience winter blues because of the lack of sunlight. Winter blues are a feeling of sadness or depression during the winter months. The next phrase is a phrasal verb, to chill out. To chill out means to calm down and to relax. For example, I need to chill out and stop taking everything so seriously.